Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I customize my home screen on Android phone. Okay, here I have opened my home screen. This is my Android home screen and I'm going to customize it. First of all, I'd like to get weather information from my home screen, so I'm gonna add weather widget. We can tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen, then we're going to select widget, and here we can scroll down to the bottom to find the weather widget, this one guys. And there are some types of the weather widget, and for instance I'm gonna go with this one, weather and clock, so I can get the clock information as well from my home screen. Click on it, then we can click on add, and now the weather widget with clock information has been added to my home screen. And the second one, I want to get quick access to the Google application, so I'm gonna add the Google search bar to my home screen. We can tap and hold again, tap and hold again, click on widget, and here I'm just going to select Google, and this is the Google search bar. I'm going to add it to my home screen. Click on add, and now the Google search bar has been added to my home screen. And then I'm going to add some application to this home screen. I'm going to get quick access to some important application. For example, I'm going to add my Instagram. We can tap and hold on it, then add to home, and I'm going to place it right here. And Telegram will be better, so I'm gonna add Telegram, and I'm going to add my gallery as well. Wait guys, where is it? Okay, this is my gallery. Add to home. And the last one, I'm going to add like a Google application to my home screen. This one, add to home. Okay, and it's perfect, I think. Alright guys, and that's how I customize my home screen on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.